What's going on? It's your favorite ball guy, goes with the haircut Dom, and I got my buddy Mandy Betty, one of our highest 5-star Yelps. Go check him out. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna demonstrate how to put back the seats, the MAGiC sliding second row seat. We're gonna put these back into, go ahead and pull up over here, Mandy, into the Honda Odyssey. Then I'm gonna show you how easy it is to fill it out again. But that seems to be really common question. So the first thing we wanna do is put the middle row back in. Can you see those hooks on the bottom right there?
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, why don't you go ahead and check that out. Now, go ahead and flip on the other side over there. I'm gonna attach these hooks right there. And drop it, don't be shy. I feel the same way. You know, you're spending what, $50,000 plus on this machine? So yeah, we wanna make sure that we take care of it, but at the same time, this thing's built for families. So, same thing here. See those right there, Petey?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you're gonna wanna line them up. Like such right here. I always recommend you, like, if you to get, see right here? See right here?
Yeah.
See, look, check it out. All right, see how it goes right there? Then you literally just drop it. Slides in place. Let's go and do the last one. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I am double masked. Be safe. Blessings, happiness, and health. You, your family, and your loved ones. So, also getting a little workout at the same time here. All good. Is that Betty?
Yep.
All right.
Those hooks there go into that.
Now, we're going to grab this and lift that up. If this was the other way around, you got me right here?
Mm-hmm.
The first thing you're going to do, you're going to want to flatten this. See this? Secondly. Is that for me?
No, Roman.
Okay. Bam. Pull it out. Don't be shy. You do that on this side, that side, and in the middle. A little bit different. The same way you would lay down this flat so you have your extra cup holders. You're going to come around to the front and pull it up.
Would you recommend, which one would you recommend pulling out first, Dom?
I say you go with the middle first because check this out. Go ahead and sit down right here, Betty.
So it's easier for our viewers, you know?
Well, look, check it out. So you already know how to do this anyways. Sorry about that. Wow, the first time it fell. Nice. You already know how to do that part anyways, right, folks? So if you look right here at this one, you see that?
Yes.
Okay. Then you're going to pull it out like that.
Oh, that's easy. Yep.
So
yep.
Now
you have more room.
Or say, going to back out a little bit. Going to lay that flat. Say you just want to come at it from this side. You see what I'm saying?
Oh.
You never really know. People just have their different creatures of, you know, we're creatures of, you know, creature cover habits. Whatever. What, you know, our mentor of everybody here. He always teaches us these wordings. Anyways, that's what it is. So there you go. Hope you enjoy it. I would like to do a YouTube on this, but he's actually going to present this and potentially sell it. Good job. Good luck with that. And in the meantime, let me put all this together, and then I'll return you back to your regularly scheduled program. You got a question?
We do have one coming in, so if you want to make that video.
White on black. That's right.
Yep.
All right, guys. Hey, you guys have a good one. Blessings, and thank you for your subscriptions, your likes, your shares. God bless all you health workers. God bless the military guys, retired and active. Come home safe.